Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to register a boat in Massachusetts. Planning to hit the waters in Massachusetts? Before you do, make sure your boat is legally registered. I'll walk you through everything you need to know step by step. And for now, let's get started. Who needs to register? First, let's talk about who needs to register. In Massachusetts, you must register any motorized boat, including jet skis, any boat operated on public waterways. Non-motorized boats like kayaks or canoes do not need registration unless they have a motor attached. What you need? To register your boat, here's what you will need. Number 1, a completed boat registration application. 2, proof of ownership, like a bill of sale or manufacturer's certificate of origin. 3, if it is a used boat, you will need the previous registration number. 4, payment for registration fees. 5, a pencil tracing or photo of the hull identification number. Number 6, and finally, for out-of-state boats, a title if your state issues one. How to apply? There are 2 ways to register. Online, go to Massachusetts Environmental Policy website and follow these steps to submit your application and documents, or by mail or in person. Send or bring everything to Massachusetts Environmental Policy, 251 Causeway Street, Suite 101, Boston, MA 02114. A small note, if it is your first time registering, in-person or mail is required. Online renewal is only for existing registrations, so keep that in mind. Fees and validity. Registration fees in 2025 are based on the length of your boat. For example, under 16 feet, around $45. 16 to 26 feet, about $66. Over 26 feet, typically $88 or more. Registrations are valid for 2 years, and the registration decal must be clearly displayed on both sides of your boat. Extra tips. A few quick tips to avoid delays. Double check your documents before mailing. Be sure your hull ID is clear and legible. If your boat was bought out of the state, include the state's tax proof, and always keep your registration card on board during use. It's required by law. And that is it. You are now ready to enjoy Massachusetts waters the right way. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more how-to guides, and let me know down below in the comments if you have any questions.